Yak Back Back.
Oh, look at our spider. A spider. Hi, welcome to Yak Back. Look at the spider. What is the spider getting for us? What did the spider get? It's a bag. The spider brought a bag. 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 The spider brought a bag. What is he getting now? Spider, what did you get? The spider got a log. A log. The spider brought a log. What is the spider going to get now? Hi, spider. You brought a pig. A pig. A pig. The spider brought a pig. Where did the spider go? Oh, here he is. He found a wig. A wig. The spider found a wig. You look good, spider. You look good in the wig. Where did you go? What do you have? Oh, the spider has an egg. An egg. The spider is eating the egg. Egg. We found an egg, a wig, a log, a pig, and a bag. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Back.